Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. The problem with most study apps is that they always require you to sign in, lock many useful features behind a paywall, or fill the app with ads that become distracting and waste your time. So I decided to build my own study app without writing a single line of code. In this video, I'll show you 3 minimalist study apps that I created entirely using AI. The best part is that these aren't just prototypes. You can publish them, install them directly on your phone, and use them like regular apps without requiring you to sign in. I built all of these using Whacka, an AI app builder that turns a simple text prompt into a fully functional mobile app in just a few minutes. So let's start. The first app I created is called Mood Study. So here's something we all deal with as students. Some days we sit down to study and we just can't focus. Our brain is tired, we are stressed, or we are just not in the mood. And the problem is most of us study the same way every day, no matter how we are feeling. And that's why it doesn't always work. So I made this app called Mood Study. The idea is really simple. When you open the app, it asks you how you are feeling today. You pick your mood: tired, anxious, energized, frustrated, or okay, and it gives you a study plan based on that. So if we are tired, it won't tell us to grind for 3 hours. It will say okay, just do 15 minutes of light reading. And then for example, if we are energized, it pushes us practice questions for 45 minutes. It also tells you which subject to focus on, and it also gives you a small motivational message as well. And there is a streak counter too, so we can check in every day and keep our streak going. It also shows the history of our moods in the calendar, so you can see the timeline of your moods as well. So I built this entire app without writing a single line of code. Honestly, it's a very simple app, but I think it's actually really useful for students. And now I will show you how I built this app. So I open my browser and here I open whacka.app, and in the prompt section I simply describe the app I wanted to create. So here you can see the prompt in text, including the design, style, features, and how it should work. I didn't write any code at all. And then I will send this prompt. After I send this prompt, it just took a few minutes and Whacka automatically built the entire app for me. Once the app is ready, I click on the publish option and then I will select publish now. And then I will select app and then I will copy the link for this app. Then I will open a new tab and here I will paste that link. So the fully working app is now ready, and the best part is it's not just a static design, it actually works like a real app. The next thing is, if I want to make changes, I don't need to rebuild anything. I can just go back. So I will open whacka.app and here I will select the chat section, and here I can describe what I want to change in this app. So basically it's a complete AI app builder where you can just describe your idea and it turns it into a working product in minutes. The next thing is you can also install this app on your phone. So what you have to do, you have to select these 3 dots in your browser and then scroll down, and then here we have this option of add to home screen. So you can select it, and then here we have this option of install. So I will select this install option and then it will start installing this app to my phone. So now for example, I will go back to my home screen and then here you can see the app is installed. Now I will open this app and now I can start using this app. I have also added the full prompt in the description if you want to try building this yourself. Reading is honestly one of the easiest ways to become smarter over time. Every book, article or page teaches you something new, but the biggest challenge is not reading itself, it's building the habit. So I decided to recreate this idea by building my own app called Micro Learn completely using Whacka without writing a single line of code. The idea is simple. Instead of asking you to read an entire chapter, the app encourages you to read just one page a day. The app has clean, minimalist design. Every day you are presented with today's page. Simply tap start reading and spend just 3 to 5 minutes reading the page. Small habits like this may not seem like much at first, but they compound over time. You can also go back, select library section, and then you can scroll down and then select my library and then select this plus icon, and then you can add your own pages as well. The app also includes a journey section where you can track your reading progress and see how your learning habit grows over time. And the best part is that I built this entire app using Whacka. I simply described my idea with a text prompt, and within a few minutes it generated a fully functional app. If you would like to build this app yourself, I've also included the exact prompt I used in the video description. We sit down to study, open our phones, and within minutes we get distracted by notifications, social media, or just random scrolling. And even when we do study, we often don't actually track what we did, so it feels like we didn't accomplish anything. So I created a minimalist focus app called Focus Path using AI. The idea behind is very simple. It only helps you track what you actually focus on while studying. When you open the app, it just asks one simple question: what are you focusing on today? You can type something like anatomy, or you can write your own topic, and then you can select the session length, and then you can select start focus. So your session will start. Inside the session, everything is clean and distraction free. There is just a simple timer and your task on the screen. Once you finish with your session, you can select this end session option. So here it will ask you one important question: what did you get done? This is your focus note. You can write something short like completed brain anatomy study session. This helps you reflect on your work instead of just rushing to the next task. If you would like to build this app yourself, I've included the exact prompt I used in the video description. So guys, if you want to try Whacka, you can check out the link in the description for more details. So this is for today's video. Please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.